Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then acting immediately. Install Postgresql and the matching PSQL ODG driver for Excel business. Once done, open ODG data sources as administrator and create a system DSN. Enter host, port 5432, database name, username, and password. Make sure to test the connection button. It confirms network and credential validity. If the test fails, check firewall and server listen addresses, but do not delay. Proceed only when the DSN test succeeds. You now connect Excel to Postgresql using the DSN you created. In Excel, choose Data, get data from other sources, then from ODG. Select your system DSN and supply credentials when Excel prompts. Once connected, choose Native SQL Query or Table Import mode. Use SQL for precise control, or choose a table when you want simple refreshes. Then use the query editor to filter rows, set column data types, and remove unnecessary columns before loading so your workbook stays fast and tidy. You finish by loading the cleaned query into Excel as a table or pivot table, and then configuring refresh options. Set refresh on open or background refresh as required. For large datasets, use incremental queries or import smaller batches to avoid freezing Excel. If something goes wrong, diagnose systematically. Confirm ODG driver business matches Excel. Ensure you created a system DSN, not a user DSN, if Excel runs elevated. And verify firewall and PGHBA. Conf allow your client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.